Doctor, please, I would love to know how I can burn belly fat naturally.
There are 5 natural drinks you can take to help you burn belly fat. Number 1. Cucumber, lemon, and ginger water. You will need 1 medium-sized cucumber, sliced, 1 medium-sized lemon, sliced, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 8½ cups of water, and 12 mint leaves. How to prepare: put all the ingredients in the water and let it soak overnight. Next morning, strain the water and drink it throughout the day. Drink this for 4 weeks and you will see the difference. Number 2. Cinnamon and honey water. You will need half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of honey, and 1 glass of water. How to prepare: add the cinnamon powder and the honey to the glass of water and mix it well. Drink this water in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure the water you use for the drink is not hot or warm. It should be at the room temperature. Number 3. Green tea. You will need 1 green tea bag and a cup of hot water. How to prepare: take the tea bag and put it in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for some time, and then drink this tea. Green tea will help burn the fat and aids weight loss. Number 4. Vegetable juice. You will need vegetables of your choice: 1 carrot, 1 tomato, small piece of ginger. How to prepare: take all your favorite vegetables and make sure you include tomato and carrot. Blend the vegetables and the ginger. Drink this juice to stimulate weight loss. Number 5. Dates and banana drink. You will need 1 banana, a cup of almond milk, and a teaspoon, 1 date, and a pinch of cinnamon. How to prepare: take all the ingredients and blend it. Drink this date and banana drink to fight hunger and speed up metabolism.
What's the guarantee that these things will work?
The guarantee is 93% sure.
Okay, let me go put some work.